Zoho Projects versus Teamwork is a comparison many small agencies face when they begin to scale. Both tools help teams manage ongoing client work, deadlines, and internal collaboration. They are also known for being more affordable than some of the larger enterprise-level project management platforms out there. But while they share the same general goal, the way they approach workflows, structure, and daily work experience can feel very different. Zoho Projects has a friendly and approachable interface. It is part of the larger Zoho ecosystem, which includes tools for customer relationship management, accounting, help desks, and more. If your agency is already using other Zoho products, Projects fits in smoothly. The layout is straightforward, with task lists, milestones, and timelines that make it easy to understand who is doing what. The time tracking feature is built in and works well for billing hourly work. The automation capabilities are also useful. For example, you can set rules that automatically shift tasks or notify team members when certain conditions are met. However, Zoho Projects shines more when everything stays structured. If your team prefers flexible systems or works in more open creative processes, the interface can feel slightly rigid at times. Teamwork, on the other hand, was designed specifically for agencies. It puts a strong focus on client work, billable hours, and communication that stays clear between internal and external collaborators. Teamwork allows you to invite clients directly into project spaces with careful permission control. Clients see progress without being overwhelmed by internal discussions. Teamwork also includes strong task organization tools such as list views, board views, and timeline views. Time tracking is smooth and ties directly into invoicing workflows. If your agency often needs to show clients proof of progress or needs to demonstrate how hours were used, that can be a major advantage. In the end, Zoho Projects can feel like a solid operations backbone, especially when paired with the rest of the Zoho suite. Teamwork can feel like a comfortable client service environment that blends tasks, communication, and billing into a single daily workspace. If your agency values internal structure first, Zoho Projects may be your best match. If your agency values clear client collaboration and transparent billing workflows, Teamwork may be the better fit. Both are practical, affordable, and capable for agency project management.